was India ever ready for indigenization and in avionics at that point?
The idea was that let's try something that's tough.
The rising power of the graph of Bharat today. Technology, business acumen, marketing, I think a wonderful combination. I think really welcome. I think we in Bharat should be really happy for people like you, with people like you. Thank you.
Since you were mentioning about that, a lot of research goes on a product to be developed, and by that time you are able to develop the complete product. There's a mandate which comes in, of course now
Specification change.
Indian government requires much better product, or maybe something which is of a modern technology. So just to understand that, is now government also open, because what we have also learned that government is also promoting our defense startups to sell their products to other countries also, because there are other countries which are in our neighboring also, like Maldives and other, which are not very high end, but they need drones and need more defensive equipments and techniques which could help their
Yes, so just in defense exports you're largely saying, but that question generally has been answered by IDEX and their specification changes and all. They need to
commit. See, one aspect is making the entire system. Making the entire system is relatively quite easy. Like, it's far easier to make a car than an engine. Yeah, it's always far easier to assemble a phone than the micro.
Same case with Tejas right now, right?
It's the same case.
The Kaveri engine and with
Kaveri engine, because the
GE engine being delayed endlessly. $500 million more.
So where is our focus? We should have instead of having the top-down approach every time, we should look for once from bottom up. You have opportunities to also export components. You'll be very surprised, but France, close to about 80-85%, I was reading, of their exports of defense equipments come from electronics. Safran, basically, or Safran and Airbus. There are possibilities, but we have to look more down the value chain. We are just looking at the surface. We are just looking at the top, the entire thing.
Yeah, one last thing about exports. Are you looking towards exports of what you're manufacturing? Have you ever thought of that?
Yes, we are actively looking at enhancing our export capabilities, and we have supplied certain autopilots and electronics. We have done projects for also certain foreign entities using our flight control system and electronics. It is now gaining more steam, because with the sentiment globally, like today, I read a few days back that foreign, Western tech companies are looking at A, B, C, anything but China. So there, India comes as a nice alternative, because we have already proven that in the IT space we are a good technology partner. Okay. Now, of course, but previously it was more of manpower, but now it's more of tech. We have shown that we can do it. So it's quite attractive. So we are looking at exports. Exports is quite attractive as of now.